The point is, you're not trying new things, you ain't going nowhere. You may get 6 new things you try this year and 3 fail, and you're going to throw that money out, but the 3 that work could catapult you and really say, you know what, I'm going to honestly assess myself here, and I want to grow, I want to change, I want to try branding more, I want to try whatever aspects we're going to go through, go for it. Whatever elements you can afford to do time-wise, and afford fiscally, give it a try. If you fail a little bit, you waste a few bucks, okay. But if you really, like anything else, put your head down and go for it and try to do things the right way, we already know the score of that game. Most of the time you're gonna come out ahead. And so figure out what's gonna make you money. Figure out more than that. It's like, oh, I can do this and that to make me money, but how do I do it? I don't have time. Figure out what slows you down, speed it up. Figure out what's not making you money. Take a scissor and cut it the heck out of your life, okay? And focus on what can make you grow. Establish your foundation. Your foundation as a business, as far as marketing goes and being seen, is right here. And it should be just a continuous cycle of what I see on the website should be what I see on social media, should be what I see on the flyers, should be what I see when I speak with them, should be what I see on the business cards, okay? It should all flow together. It should not be telling a different story when they go somewhere, okay? If I go to someone's website and it looks like hot garbage, but I really need this, and then I go to their social media and it looks worse, I'm out, I'm on to the next guy. That's the power of the internet. I can find 1,000 people to do the same thing, okay? Hook them the first time, wow, great website, great social media, great word of mouth. Look at, holy cow, look at their Google reviews. They're stopping and going with you, even if they get enticed by someone else, because in the back of their brain, they have seen all these answers right in front of their face. They don't even have to, do anything. They haven't spoken to you yet. They're just hunting you down. What do people want to see should be what you're trying to translate. All right, I'm thinking like my customer. What do they want to see? That's what you need to project. What makes your customer feel warm and fuzzy inside? What's going to happen? Go to their website and say, I want to use this guy for my audio. I want to use this. What's going to make them do that? Have them hit that first. Don't make them hunt around to find it. Have it hit them first wherever you're sending them, whether it's a landing page from your Instagram account, somewhere on Facebook, or just your homepage on your website. Let them feel good the minute they get there. Social media, website, business cards, all these things are job interviews without having to speak with you. You can hook them into wanting you before they even talk to you on the phone. Right? Does that make sense? So all these things are your foundation, and they're all job interviews. If you think of it that way, have them all match up, have them all line up, color-wise, theme-wise, what's in your heart to put out there for your company, for your business. These things are vital. Okay, who brought business cards today? Don't lie, raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of a room of 30 people. Why?
Mine might be in my car.
There's about 20 different reasons, but why don't you have business cards on you when you go somewhere? All right, I gave everybody 2 business cards. You see the square one or the rectangle one and the one with the round edges? First one, we did them for the whole company. Thousands of business cards, hundreds of dollars. Not a huge expense, but they came in, they cut them wrong, the design wasn't what we asked for, so the vendor dropped the ball. So it cost us like, I don't know, $400 or $500. Okay, well, we can look like idiots. Bite the bullet sometimes when things go wrong, because not everything's going to go right. Or just do it right and be done with it. Like, eat bologna for a week. Just make the friggin' business cards representative of who you are. Yeah, me too. But you know what I'm saying? If someone wrongs you, don't let that wrong screw up your money. Don't settle with your image. The image will come back to haunt you monetarily down the road.